Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix notification sound not working issue in iOS 17 on iPhone. First of all, turn on the Do Not Disturb mode and then turn it off. Then you have to go to your iPhone settings. After that, scroll up and go to Accessibility. Click on the torch and then tap on Vibration. Then if this switch is off, vibration on your phone will be disabled. So turn it on. Now go to General. Scroll down and click on Shut Down. Slide to power off the device. Turn on the device and open Phone Settings again. Go to General and tap on Software Update. If the update is available, download and install it. That's how you can fix the notification sound if it is not working in iOS 17. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.